I promise you I'm not drunk. Oh, lettuce! Ooh, muffins. I'm a banshee on fire! Sweat madness for all your uterus needs. Hi YouTube family, it is Kelsey and welcome to my channel where each week I release new videos sharing tips, tricks, and solutions for living a natural and happy lifestyle. If you're new here, welcome! My name is Kelsey and please consider subscribing so you don't miss any new content that I release each week. And if you're already a part of our YouTube family, hey there, I see you boo. Welcome back. Alright guys, we have got a great RealGirl Fitness episode for you today, and it is especially for our girls who are on their periods that time of the month, but this workout can also be perfect for a warm-up or just a gentle workout on any day. RealGirl Fitness is all about not only working out, but about having fun, getting inspired, and honoring our perfectly imperfect bodies. Today we have a 10-minute, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off Tabata workout where we're going to go full on for 20 seconds and have a 10-second rest. Now I want you to listen to your body, do what you can do, and make sure that you have your gentle repose and your peppermint Améo essential oil rubbed on that belly and on that back to give you energy and help relieve cramps. But you know what else is going to help relieve any cramps that you've got going on, sister? Exercise, adrenaline, endorphins. So we're definitely going to tap into that today. So today's topic as we walk through and run through this workout is our mindset. I want you ladies to start thinking about, instead of working out as I have to work out, let's switch the mindset to I want to work out. Think about all the benefits that are going to come from just our 10 minutes together. So as we pop in, set your intention, set your why you're here today, and have a want to mentality. Are you ready? Let's get into it. All right, ladies, we're gonna pop right into this and we're gonna go start with a reverse lunge, alternating reverse lunge. Let's go. So we're just going to take it slow this first round. We're gonna go through these exercises twice. Now, if you wanna take this up a notch, all you have to do is add a jump. Use your arms and make sure that when you're lunging, you are keeping that 90-degree angle. Let's take a break. Keep in mind, I'm all about imperfect is perfect, and I will probably mess up 100 times during this. We are gonna go into a squat overhead reach. So we're gonna squat, reach here, exhale up. When we come down, make sure the weight is on the back of your heels. Hold at the bottom, perfect. And up. One more time. We'll be breathing hard here in a second if you're not already. We're gonna keep into that squat, keep the weight. I promise you I'm not drunk. Put the weight on the back heels and we're gonna squat, touch, squat, touch. So I actually just filmed my top 5 tips to help you get through your period naturally. You can find it up here. Keep going. And one of those might have had to do with wine. And I forgot. Let's take a break. I forgot that if you have an empty stomach and drink wine for a video, things get a little buzzy. We're going to do some line jumps over an invisible line. Here we go. Run our hands. Now, if you have a line like a PVC pipe or a broom, you're welcome to jump over it, but I'm sure we have a good imagination. One more. There we go. Take your 10-second rest. Oh, you know what time it is. It's burpee time. No push-up. We're just gonna go down, take it slow and steady. Put your hands down, out, in, squat, push. Okay? Let's go. Use your breath. Plank it out. In. Awesome. Do as many as you can. Perfect. The reason we didn't do push-ups is because we're going to do them now. I'm going on my knees. Girl, you choose your poison. Make sure your back is straight. Arms are in line with your shoulders. Let's go. Use your breath. Inhale down through your nose. up. Use that exhale to push you through, almost like a tornado. Keep that back straight. Rest it out. Let's roll over to our back into one of my favorite exercises because I feel like I'm getting an extra break. We're going to go into our glute bridge and raise and hold. Squeezing the buns, core tight, pulling up and down. One more time. Hold up top and down. Keep it up. I lied, we're doing more than just 2. Go at your own pace. If this is uncomfortable, and rest it out. If this is uncomfortable for this area, just do small pulses. We're gonna keep our position here, use our core to raise our shoulder blades up and touch. Heels, heel touch, heel touch. Oh yeah. Real Girl Fitness is all about bringing real girl movements, real girl expectations. You're not gonna see any six packs here. There's the rub, there's the chub rub, there's the jiggles. It's all real, ladies. We're going into our final move of this circuit. It is a plank jack mountain climber combo. Get in line here, get in a plank, out, in. Not speed, but form. Keep that core tight. In. Make sure your booty is pressed down. We're not going up here. Keep it in line. In. One more time. Rest it out. That wasn't so hard. You nailed that. We've got 30 seconds, and we're going to start it over one more time, and then we'll be done. Grab your water. Grab a towel. I'm definitely breathing like a manatee at a salad bar, like, oh, lettuce. We're gonna pop back up, get in our position for lunges. We're gonna take it up just a little bit and add a jump to our reverse lunge. Let's go. Use your arms right here. Fun fact, I was a figure skater, and that's how you do your jumps, is using your arms to lift you up. Now, if this is too much, just keep doing our step back. One more. Perfect. Let's get in our squat position. And we're gonna, woo, Lordy, can I get an amen? Down, hold, and up. Exhale, down. We're gonna hold a little longer here. Right here, hold, and up. Oh yes, this is very ladylike. The queen would be proud. One more, and up. Remain in that squat position. Get those heels, all the weight on those heels. We're gonna do a squat and reach touch. Let's go, ladies, come on. Squat together. Woo! Okay, I'm a banshee on fire. It's amazing how just 6 minutes or whatever we've done can get you going. Where's your heel? Where's your core? Core tight right here. Take a breath. We're gonna find that invisible line one more time. Use our runner's arms to go over the line. Let's line jump. Let's go. If you want to take it up a notch, more. Bigger jump. Quicker jump. Find your poison. Your worth is not determined if you do the advanced or the moderate, whatever. You're here. You're doing this. Excuse me, is that a Wonder Woman shirt uniform you have on there? Because you are. Let's go into our burpees right now. Out, in, up. Down, out, in, up. Down, hit that plank, keep that booty down. In, one more. Use your breath. Down to the ground. We're gonna get our push-ups. Make sure that core is tight and your booty is not up in the air. Let's go. Exhale up. Inhale with the nose. Make sure our arms aren't going to the side. One more time. A few more times. Wherever you're at, keep going. These are really hard for me. This is something I'm working on. All right, let's roll it to our glute bridge. We're gonna squeeze the peach to the sky, and let's go. Get your placement and hold at the top and down. Hold at the top. Let's go. Awesome, guys. Woo! Am I a tomato yet? Let's get in our position. Use the core, bring the shoulder blades up. Heel touch. This is going quick. You want to get it done. Let's go. Whew. Whew. Imperfect is perfect. Whew. Yes, please. Awesome. Now make sure you're really using your obliques. This is where we're hitting that muffin top. Ooh, muffins. Blueberry muffin, please. Thank you. Keep going. Whew. Rest it out. Last move. Getting our plank jack, mountain climber. As I burp it out, let's go. Out, in. Keep that booty down. Core tight, back elongated. Sorry if I just yelled at you. We're gently working the abs. Here we go. Listen to your body. One more. Oh, okay. It's just me. Where did that 10 minutes go by like? Woo! Let's go down into child's pose real quick. Decorate your mat with your sweat droplets. Alternate your arms. I'm not a yogi at all, but I have to say, some of these positions are magic. All right, let's go up into a cat-cow. I'm gonna wipe the sweat madness. You do the same. Grab water if you need to. If you need to pop out, do your own thing, or go do a big workout, go for it. Going to do a cat. Exhale. Inhale. This cat-cow, if you take one thing from this, if you're in your period, this stretch is magic for all your uterus needs. That sounds like a terrible used car salesman at your uterus stretch for all occasions. Stop it, Kelsey. Don't go there. Oh, but I did. All right, let's roll over to our back. I want you just to stretch from the tippies of your toes to the tips of your fingers. Stretch out, elongate, keep stretching out. We're so compressed during the day that so much weight is just pressed on our lady area. So I want you just to stretch it out, breathe it out. I'm so proud of you. And let's bring our knees right here. Oh, that just sounded like a yak. A Himalayan yak going up Mount Everest. Oh. Let's just do some small circles with our knees, massaging out our lower back. Let's switch directions. Whew. Oh, my floor is squeaky. I'm on the squeaky part. Come back to center. Drop the knees to the side and look the opposite direction. I see you. I see you. It's amazing what just 10 minutes can do. Just getting your heart rate up, getting that adrenaline running through your body. Let's switch sides. Bring those knees to the other side. Looking the other direction. Woo. Thanks for wanting to work out with me today. I really respect your time. Let's bring it up to the center. Put it in forward position. I'll show you here what we're gonna do. Now wherever you're at, bring it as close or as far away as possible. We're gonna get that stretch right into here in our hips, where a lot of that tension's at. But thank you, from Upside Down Kelsey to you. Thank you for sharing your time with me. I know your time is precious, And I hope that you're sharing this workout with your kids if you have them, or your grandkids, or your nieces and nephews. Let's switch. Because getting in a habit of getting active some way, somehow. No, you don't have to be CrossFit goddess. If that's what you want, awesome. But just do something. Get active one way, somehow. Let's pop to the center. And then I want you to bring, okay, yep. That is where the butterflies live. It's like, fairies and sunshine just spurting out. Here we go. Yeah. Sometimes the things I say. But this is actually really good. Opening up those hips. Oh. Now wherever you're at is fine, whether it's close of your bits or not close, if it's out here. Wherever you feel that stretch, wherever it's not causing any distress. And then leaning over. All right, we're gonna wrap it up with a couple little leg side stretches here. I'm gonna take my opposite arm and put it on the outside of my calf, just so we can get some stretch here. We did those push-ups today, which, rock on, sister. Just so we can stretch that out. Ooh. Now if you wanna stay here longer, feel free. I'm gonna switch over to the other side. And as we close, I hope you had a fun time with me. Be sure to check out other RealGirl Fitness episodes, as well as the 5 tips to help you get through your period naturally video, which you can find up here. And I want to leave you with this. When, like we were chatting about in the beginning, when you realize you need to start putting your health first, because it will actually benefit your whole family and your life and your career and everything. Remember to keep the mindset. Mindset is so important. When you switch your mindset from I gotta lose weight, or I have to look like this some way, somehow, I have to fit in a bikini, to I wanna be healthy and I want to work out, versus it working out being a burden or have to do something. It's all about the mindset. So I challenge you to find some why you're doing this, and some positive thoughts. Keep positive, stay positive, and remember this. It's a crazy world out there, ladies, so pick your battles. Always give yourself grace, because imperfect is perfect. Now go slay your day, sister. I'll see you in the next video. Well, I'm a sweaty beast. I cannot believe how much sweat just came out of my body in 10 minutes. What am I? A draft horse? Here, let me pull your sleigh. Well, that was productive.